Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you this cool feature with your AirPods. So of course, it doesn't matter which AirPods, can be AirPods 4, AirPods A and C. So of course, if you open up your AirPods, you can place them in. You're going to then go to the upper right, swipe down, and you're going to press and hold. You're going to add this icon here. So in order to add it, you're going to press and hold, then you're going to hit add. You're going to search. It's almost towards the bottom. It should be an icon involving, here you go. It's under hearing and accessibility. It's called hearing. So go ahead and press and hold, and then you're going to drag and drop, or add it, I should say, to here. Then press outside, and of course, you're going to have this feature, tap. Now, what you're going to use here is the feature that's called, you're going to use this feature that's called live listen. Now, live listen, once it's active, so you need to place them in. I have to place these in. Give me a second. All right, so you notice it's active now. Now, with live listen, what you're gonna do, guys, as I was saying, is you're going to, in this case, you can use live listen. So let me go ahead and tap, and of course, you'll see. Let me turn this off. All right, I've turned it off, and you just saw there's going to be an ear in the dynamic island, meaning that live listen is active. Then, of course, you can leave your phone. Like, for example, I could leave it in this room, and I could be one room over, and anything that's said in this room, it will be transmitted back to the AirPods as you'll be picking up the sound that's coming from the room that you left your phone in. All right, so it will transmit the sound that's around the AirPods. For example, now, because I was in the same room, I'll be hearing myself. However, if I'm like, say, 2 rooms over with my AirPods in, I'll be hearing everything that's happening in and around the phone. So that's a live listening feature that you can actually use. And of course, you'll know it's on because there's the ear in the dynamic island. All right, so that's another cool feature that you could probably use and do use responsibly. And of course, that's one of the features again for your AirPods that you can actually use. That's called the live listen. All right, so hope that was helpful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.